Hey, what's up guys? Emmanuel is here. All right, today I'm going to show you guys a little quick how to reset your maintenance request on the Honda Accord after you done doing your oil change and you want to know how to reset your maintenance request code so you're no longer going to see that message. Before we get started, you want to make sure to press the power button twice, but do not put your foot on the brake. So 1, 2, and everything's going to highlight just like this. Okay guys? So as you see there, it's a maintenance due soon. I already finished my oil change, so it's time to reset there. And what you got to do here is on the steering wheel, you're going to see the upper arrow right there. You press that up, and every time you press the up, the information on the screen going to change. So we're looking for vehicle setting. So now we got vehicle setting right there, guys. And then you come right here in the middle where it says select or reset. You press the select. All right, going to change the menu on the screen. Once you change that, you're going to keep pressing the up arrow until you get to maintenance reset. So now we got the maintenance reset right there, as you see. Then what we're going to do again, press a select right there in the middle, press select. And once you press select, it's going to highlight on cancel. So now we're going to use the down arrow, the down right there, and bring it down to reset. Watch on the screen and see what's going to happen. So let's zoom in a little quick. See there. All right, so once I press the down arrow, it's going to come down to reset. You see that it moved down to reset. So once it moved down to reset, you want to press the select right there. Press select and they're going to say reset completed. So you see on the screen it says reset completed. All right guys, so once you're done there, you can keep moving to find exit by pressing the up arrow. To find exit, let's zoom back out real quick. All right, so I'm going to keep pressing that arrow up there to find exit. All right, so once you get to exit right there, you see exit, then you press select. It allows you to exit out of the vehicle settings screen. So now you come back to main menu. What we're going to do again and keep pressing up until we see the oil percentage. So now we have oil percent right there, say 100% oil life. So you're done doing your fresh oil change, you reset the code and everything looks good. So every time your oil life get to 15%, it will tells you maintenance due soon, something like that. So now we reset there, the computer know that we just did a fresh oil change, it went to 100%. So you can keep moving with the up arrow until you get to the screen that you would like to be on. So I would like to be right here so I can see my MPG. That's how you do that. And once you're done that, you can go ahead and put your foot on the brake this time and start up the vehicle, guys. All right, once you start the vehicle, as you see now, there's going to be no more information showing up on the screen anymore. Before, every time you start your vehicle, that's the first thing you get, maintenance schedule or maintenance due soon. So now it's all set. So this is how you do your oil reset. If you did enjoy the video, once again, this is Emmanuel. I have a 2017 Honda Accord, a Toyota Highlander, and a Toyota Corolla. So like and subscribe to support the channel so you won't miss any video on 3 of my vehicle. And also I do product review and couple unboxing and other different stuff like that. So guys, your support will keep me going. For now, I'm out of here, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Once again, it's Emmanuel. Y'all stay safe, guys. Ciao, ciao.